Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2012 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. Look at the circuit diagram. The diodes and capacitors shown in the circuit are ideal. The voltage V of t across the diode D1 is V of t across the diode D1. That implies nothing but the polarity of V of t is nothing but V of t plus minus. Remember this one. V of t is nothing but this is plus and it is minus. P side is. So what will be the voltage V of t? And out of the four options given, the right option is nothing but A. A is the right option. So we will see like this. So whenever we are going with a cos waveform, at that time cos 0 is nothing but 1, so that cos waveform is going to be starting in this way. So this is the waveform for the cos. Okay, it is omega t, and where this is magnitude. So that the magnitude of cos omega t is nothing but 1. The maximum value is nothing but 1. Here you will get, that is plus 1 at t is equal to 0. And later on it is going to be reducing sinusoidally towards minus 1, and again it is going to be increase sinusoidally towards plus 1. So this is called as one positive one cycle, 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So, and what was given is diodes and capacitors are ideal in the circuit. So at t is equal to 0, what happens we will see. At t is equal to 0, okay, cos omega t, the value of cos omega t is equal to 1. So 1 volt is going to be the input for the circuit, and for that one we can write like this. This is a capacitor and a diode is going to be connected over here, and we are applying 1 volt. So 1 volt I am indicating in this way because I am going with only instant, so that I am writing it as plus 1 itself. This is 1 volt. Whenever it is 1 volt you are applying, and this side is going to be a negative, that is N side of the diode, and it is C2. This is a circuit diagram for this one. This is C1 and it is D2, D1. So for this diodes we can say that one, for this plus 1 volt at t is equal to 0, diode 1 becomes forward bias and acts as short circuit. Next, diode 2 is going to be act as reverse bias because 1 volt is positive that we are applying towards N side, so that this diode becomes reverse bias. Diode 2 reverse bias and acts as open circuit. So for that one, the equivalent model is going to be looks like this one. So whenever it is 1 volt, at that time the equivalent model will be consisting of in this way. This is acting as short circuit and that is acting as open circuit, so that we can neglect that one. So this is 1 volt. So this is V of t, this point plus minus, which is nothing but 0 volts because diode is acting as short circuit. That is forward bias, and the current is flowing in this direction P2N, so that this will be indicated as plus minus. The capacitor charges around Vc1, and since the time constant for this circuit tau is nothing but time constant. Time constant is nothing but where the current, in which path the current is flowing, the product of resistance and capacitance in that path is going to be giving the time constant. So time constant for this one is nothing but product of resistance and capacitance. Resistance is nothing but only forward bias resistance, so which is Rf, and capacitance is nothing but C1. But ideal diode will have 0 forward resistance, so that the time constant is 0. Time constant is 0 is nothing but within no time capacitor charges. So capacitor charges instantaneously. Capacitor C1 charges instantaneously. That is the meaning. Instantaneously. That is the meaning of time constant 0. So that implies nothing but at t is equal to 0 itself. At t is equal to 0 itself, voltage across capacitor C1 will become 1 volt, and V of t at that instant is going to be 0 volts. This is what we are getting. And now we are going with for t greater than 0. For t greater than 0. For d greater than 0, what is going to be the happens for the V of t? Okay, for t greater than 0, that is nothing but you are applying. Previously we are going with a cos signal. Cos signal is going to be having a magnitude of maximum 1, but voltage across capacitor is going to be 1 volt. Okay, already what we have seen is nothing but voltage across capacitor is at 1 volt, and this voltage for this circuit. Okay, understand this situation, it is very very important. Okay, at t is equal to 0, the capacitor has charged towards 1 volt plus minus, and whatever the cos omega t, this value is always is going to be less than 1 volt, or at most it may be equal to 1 volt for the next positive peak. Okay, for the next cycle starting point it will become 1, and always the cycle is going to be having. Okay, you can check this one with the help of this. Okay, if you see these values for the cos, wherever you are going with for all the time greater than 0, okay, for the entire cycle the value may be positive, but the value is going to be less than 1 volt, or it may be negative, and it is reaching again this plus 1 volt only at t is equal to 2 pi. It cannot go beyond. So the maximum positive voltage you may apply is nothing but plus 1 volt only, that is only for a instant at t omega t is equal to 2 pi. For all the time the value is going to be less than 1 only. Is that clear? The value for this one, so for this red lines cos omega ct is always having less than 1, except for this point at t is equal to omega t is 2 pi. So that implies nothing but if you are going in that way, this cos omega t value is always less than 1, and here you are going with minus 1. The sum of these two things are going to be always yielding v of t is going to be negative. Okay, so v of t we can write from the KVL across this loop. Okay, write KVL across this loop, KVL for this loop. So by that time we can write for greater than t greater than 0. For t greater than 0 we will write the KVL. KVL is going to be cos omega ct minus 1 minus v of t is equal to 0. So from this one we can write v of t is equal to cos omega ct minus 1. This is what the voltage for t greater than 0. Only for the first instant itself it is going with 0, and for all other cases the value is going to be in this manner: v of t is equal to cos omega ct minus 1. So the right option for this question is A. Thank you.